Alright, so we're going to do a quick breakdown on the S&P 500 trade that we just placed. The way that we found this trade was we looked at the hourly chart, we saw what was happening. Now, none of these moves existed prior, so we'll go back to here. We didn't have any of those moves that were happening, right? But we looked at the hourly and we saw that we got this order block that we had prior to the big dip that happened on the 2nd of September. So we went into the 15-minute and we were trying to confirm zones. We saw that we were starting to build up and we wanted to run up into this area. We know we had a build-up pattern here, which is an S&D zone, right? So there's always going to be a retest on that, usually a push through and a retest. So we knew that the setup was there for everything. So if we follow it through, where is that little replay tool at? So if we follow it through, we broke out of that zone, right? And then we came up exactly where we said for the order blocks. Now we have to refine it. We went down to a 1-minute frame and we started refining this build up into the pattern, right? So we came out of the S&D zone, we entered within here. Now we can see on the 1-minute, we got our EQL zone and we got our top of structure. So initially we started in this area with our EQL and our TOS, right? We saw that we had the failed breakout, so we moved our TOS and our EQL zones. We got defined structure, and then we waited to see what would happen. So we did get an order block on the 1-minute over here that we used in order to be able to enter into the trade. So this is exactly where we saw that order block coming from. We got the tap on it, we entered the trade, and exactly down into our S&D zone with further continuation right to where I said that I wanted to see a drop, 39.67. So that's exactly right on the money with the whole trade. But the whole point of this is to show you how to define structure and how to do it in a quick and efficient manner.